Hello guys, today we are going to discussing about mathematics DEMC concept, that is maxima and minima for functions of two variables. This is very important topic. So first of all we see the working rule for this concept. Working rule, we have three steps in that. Let we see the three steps in working rule. We have three steps. First step we see, to find stationary points fx of a comma b is equal to fy of a comma b is equal to 0. This is the first step. Let's see the second step. To find a comma b comma c values where a is equal to delta square f by delta x square, b is equal to delta square f by delta x delta y, c is equal to delta square f by delta y square. These are the a, b, c values to find in the when you are doing the problem. Third step we see, to verify the stationary points are maximum or minimum, to check the whether it is a maximum or minimum point of stationary point. Let we see the some rules of this concept. First rule, ac minus b square greater than 0 and a less than 0, then a comma b is a maximum point and f of a comma b is a maximum value. So we have to find the maximum value. Then we see the second point, if ac minus b square greater than 0 and a greater than 0, then a comma b is a minimum point and f of a comma b is a minimum value. So we have to find the minimum value by using this step for checking the conditions. Let's see the third rule. If ac minus b square less than 0, then a comma b is a saddle point. So if condition ac minus b square less than 0, the condition is a saddle point. Let's see the fourth rule. If ac minus b square is equal to 0, then a comma b is no conclusion. This is fourth rule. Let's see some examples about this concept. This maxima and minima concept is a very important concept, very easy getting score in sem or mid. So let's see the some important questions of this concept. First question, find the maximum and minimum values of f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. Now we coming to the solution. First step we given as to find the stationary points. Everyone should follow the steps, then you find the answer. First, we know that for fx equal to 0, fy equal to, this is a basic rule to find fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0. Fx equal to delta f by delta x is equal to 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x. It is coming from f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. For using that condition, we find delta f by delta x equal to 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x. Now it is equal to the 0. Why? Because this is differentiation with respect to x. So 3 is, we are doing 3 taking out the common. So 3 into x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. Now we transfer the 3 into right hand side. So it is 0. So x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. This is, let us, it is a 1. So now fy is equal to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4 equal to 0. This is fy. We are differentiation with respect to y. We get 6xy minus 6y by using differentiation with respect to y. So net is equal to 0. Fy is equal to, this is given condition. So 6y taking common. So 6y into x minus 1 is equal to 0. 6y is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Let x is equal to 1. This is the conditions we getting. By this way we getting the answers easily, this method. Now we put y is equal to 0 in 1. Last time we get the condition 1. So we put 0 in 1 condition. Let x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. This is the condition. Now we place y equal to 0 in this condition to get x square plus 0 minus 2x equal to 0. X square minus 2x equal to 0. Taking x is common. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 2. So in this way we get x equal to 0, x equal to 2. This is two conditions we are getting. Now we put the x equal to 1 in condition 1. We get, so condition 1 is what? X square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. This is the condition 1. So in this we get we put x equal to 1. So x square 1 square plus y square minus 2 into x is 2 into 1. So is equal to 0. 1 plus y square minus 2 is equal to 0. Y square minus 1 equal to 0. Y square is equal to 1. So y squaring transferred to right hand side, y equal to plus or minus 1. So this is conditions we getting in this. So by this way we can find the stationary points. Our stationary points are first one 0 comma 0, second one 1 comma 1, third one 1 comma minus 1, and fourth one 2 comma 0. So we are getting 4 stationary points. How to find the stationary points? By doing this way. So let we find y equal to 0, x equal to 1, taking one x value and y value and join them. So they group. So x comma y, x comma y, x comma y, x comma 5. We get 4 stationary points. More than 4 also we can find. Let's see the second working rule or second step. Second step, what we find? To find the a comma b comma c values, we are using a equal to delta square f by delta square. By this way we find the a comma b comma c values. By using step 2, we find the abc values. First, a is equal to fxx is equal to delta square f by delta x square. This is the formula to getting the a. So let fx equal to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. So fx equal to, with differentiation with respect to x, so we find the x values only, x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square. So delta square f by delta x square equal to 3x square, differentiation with respect to x, so 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x, we getting this answer. Next, delta square f by delta x square equal to 3x square means 6x minus 3y square is equal to 0. Why? Because it is a y differentiation. So minus 6x is getting 6 is equal to the a. So a value is 6x minus 6 is equal to a. Let we find the b. b is equal to fxy is equal to delta square f by delta x delta y. This is the formula to getting b. So fx is what? X cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. This is fx. So we finding by using delta square f by delta x, differentiation with respect to x first time. So we getting 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x. Then we find the delta square f by delta x delta y. So differentiation again with respect to y, we getting 6y only. So 6y is equal to b. So b value is 6y. So we find a and b values. Let we find the value of c. C formula is what? Fyy is equal to delta square f by delta y square. Fy is equal to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. So using differentiation with respect to y, delta square f by delta y is equal to 6xy minus 6y is the required answer. So next, delta square f by delta y square, differentiation again and again we using second. So delta y square they are giving. So 6xy we differentiation with respect to y get 6x, 6y we get 6. So 6x minus 6 is the c value. So now we find the abc values are we finding. So using these formulas, we place the stationary values in these formulas. Now we place our stationary points in abc, then we find the ac minus b square. So using stationary points, we find the ac minus b square answers. So y at 1. So first stationary point is 0 comma 0 equal to x comma y. A is equal to 6x minus 6. We getting the formula this is. So we place the value of x in 0 in that. So 6 into 0 minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Why? Because 0 minus 6 is 6 minus 6 only. Let me find the b value. B equal to 6y. We place the y value is 0. So 6 of 0 equal to 0. Let me find the value of c. C equal to 6x minus 6. So 6 of 0 minus 6 equal to minus 6. Now we using ABC values to finding the AC minus B square value. Now we place the values of ABC in AC minus B square, we find the answer. Minus 6 into minus 6 minus 0 whole square is equal to 36. 36 is greater than 0 and A is also minus 6 is less than 0. So it is a rule for 0, 0 is a maximum point. Here AC minus B square is greater than 0 and A less than 0. So it is a maximum point. Let's see the second point. Stationary point is 2, 0. It is equal to the x, 5. Let A equal to 6x minus 6 is equal to 6 of 2 minus 6 equal to 6. So A equal to 6. Let's find B. B equal to 6y. So 6 into 0 equal to 0. So B is 0. Let's find C. 6x minus 6. 6 of 2 minus 6 equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. AC minus B square equal to, placing ABC values in it, 6 into 6 minus 0 whole square. So it is 6 into 6 is 36. It is greater than 0. A equal to 6. So it is also greater than 0. So if AC minus B square greater than 0 and A greater than 0, it is a minimum value or minimum point. So it is a minimum point. Let's find the third stationary point. 1, 1 is equal to x, 5. Find A value. A equal to 6x minus 6. So A is equal to 0. B value find 6y. So 6y equal to 6 into 1. It is equal to 6. So finding C value, 6x minus 6. 6 into 1 minus 6 equal to 0. Finding ABC values. So we find the AC minus B square value. So AC is 0, let B equal to 6. So 6 whole square equal to minus 36 is less than 0. So AC minus B square is less than 0. It is a saddle point. Let's find the fourth stationary point. Our stationary point is 1 comma minus 1 is equal to x comma y. So A equal to 6x minus 6. So 6 minus 6. Why? Because x is 1. So it is equal to 0. A value is 0. B equal to 6y. Y value is minus 1. 6 into minus 1. It is equal to minus 6. So we are finding B value is minus 6. Let's find the C value. C is 6x minus 6. We are placing 1 in x place. So 6 of 1 minus 6 equal to 0. So let me find all A, B, C values. So we are placing in AC minus B square formula. We are finding the AC minus B square value. So 0 into 0. Why? Because A value is 0, C value is 0, minus B value is minus 6. So minus 6 whole square is equal to minus 36. It is less than 0. Here AC minus B square is less than 0. So it is a saddle point. It is a saddle point. So we are mainly writing the maximum point and minimum point, and also maximum value and minimum value. Here maximum and minimum values are 0, 0 and 2, 0 is a minimum point or minimum value. So mainly we are writing these minimum and maximum values. This is the concept of maximum and minimum for functions of two variables. It is very important concept. If you want to more videos of our channel, so please subscribe our channel, then click to bell icon, then follow our videos. Thank you for watching our videos.